Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are using natural lighting to review and try on the Colourpop Pressed Powder Face Blush. And they do have different kinds of forms of blush on their website, but today I decided to try this one out. And they have 11 shades, but I decided to try out the shade Romcom, which is a pinky coral kind of shade. And this pressed powder blush has a matte finish. It contains 0.21 ounces. As you can see, there is no information on the actual product, but they do all come with a mirror, which is pretty good for $8, which it retails for. And this blush is a rich blush that glides on smoothly and leaves cheeks with a natural and healthy flush. This formula contains silky powders that adhere to the skin, providing long wear and color that stays true all day. This soft feeling blush blends evenly and can be layered to your desired intensity, which I tried on and believe is true. As you can see, I have a stippling brush, which I like to apply my blushes with, and it is not powdery at all. The product stays in the pressed powder blush form, but also lightly comes off and just naturally gives you a natural flush. I'm very impressed with this blush, as you can tell. If I had to describe this blush in one word, it would be buildable, or even two words, buildable and natural. So I'm loving this blush. I give it 5 stars if I had to rate it. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like in sunlight with that light kind of buildable texture. If you look super close, there are tiny little specks of reflecting pigment, but it's still so natural that you can't even tell. Now I'm just doing it in natural lighting again, sunlight, in room, sunlight room lighting, if you want to say, just so you can see what it will look like on your skin. And I'm actually building this Romcom blush to my kind of liking, and I absolutely love this. A lot of the products I used today were Colourpop. I will list that in the description box below. But that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye guys.